Alright guys, welcome back, and this is US30 and expectation for US30. Let's go through from the monthly and let's see what we have on US30. Okay, this is the monthly time frame for US30, and from what I'm seeing, price has been bullish. Price has been bullish. Back to back, price has been bullish. So with the present mood and present area we are in the market, let's see how we could benefit from what's going on in the market. Okay, so price is making higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. So we're looking for higher highs on US30, but price has made a reversal turn here, first and second. So price makes a reversal into previous higher high for continuation move to a new higher high. Alright, not much view for us on monthly, so let's go to weekly and assess how peers came into power and what is our immediate trend. Now the immediate trend now is this. We have price created a new high, new low, new high. Here price reacted and came back to this lower low. So we have higher low twice. Then we went back to form a new higher high, but instead it was lower. So it became lower high, and we dip down here. Now on weekly we are still bearish because this is a lower low on a weekly, but overall we know that we are bullish. Now we only need a reversal, a W reversal from here to signify the bullishness. We need something like this, just the way we have here, and don't expect price need to come here first before coming back here. So we have this reversal, so we need a reversal here, and most times the reversal might not take place on a higher time frame. Why? Because we are overall bullish. So from the lower time frame they are bullish and we are buying. Weekly didn't give us any clue of bullishness, even if we have this pin candle, but it really didn't show much as regards to the trend that shows that we are bearish. So we just formed a bearish leg from here down to here. So we need to come back here and either fail to create a lower low and create a higher low to go, or create a double bottom to go and take this guy out, or better still, we immediately just jump on it, just like gold and G did. So presently we're bearish on weekly. So let's go down to daily to see how the formation is also going on a daily, and to be aware of what we're doing on a daily. Now on a daily we can see that this is a bearish move on a daily. This is a bearish move on a daily. So okay, I'm getting messages. This is a bearish move. Price came here to create a lower low after breaking off here. Create a lower low, came back for a lower high. I would love to sell not here but here. This is my first, second push. Like from the second. But this daily time frame, which is not possible, I wouldn't have done that on a day time frame. I would have done that on H4. So we have lower low, lower high, lower low. Now this is 1, 2. This is the entry here, stop below, and we're heading for this down. So which means we are still bearish on a daily, good one, but overall we are looking for bullish. So here is coming down. Let's see what we are coming down to do. Are we coming down to form a a double bottom? Since daily is not giving us that view, let's go down to H4. Okay, now H4, what do we have on H4? Okay, like I used to say, this is lower high, right? This is the first sell, entry, the second sell, until all these are not swords. Swords are always at the top side. Look at this. I'll prefer this guy as a sword, but all these are not swords. All these are not swords. So they are just accumulation. Then we have this bearish. Then that was a good entry. That was a magnificent entry here on US30. We cut the entry here, and presently we are looking to complete this leg. But the honest truth is, when price got here, price showed a reversal on H4, came back and failed to break out. Meanwhile, on a daily, it's bearish. You see the difference? I was in this buy, but I risked so much that I lost the account. I was in this buy here, and I was actually targeting, I think, somewhere around here. Why was I in this buy? Because I saw that we completed this first move. This is the second move. I waited and I saw this bullish candle. I opt in. I opt in with a massive lot size that I didn't risk manage my trade properly. And this reversal here took me out. I think at the middle here took me out because I pushed so much lots on it because of the probability percentage. This is like my 80% setup that I don't want to miss. So I risked a lot, and I didn't have so much risk management room to contain this trade. Mostly my stop loss is at the lowest man here, which is about 260 to 260 pips. So but this man that came down here took me out, and boom, price went. That's why risk management is your friend. You got to once you enter a trade, your funds must be able to withstand the retracement, deeper retracement. Your funds must be able to withstand it, and you won't be worried. So I got caught out from here, and price moved. So this is 260 times 3. 260 times 3, that's about 7 something, and this is about 8 something. So it's almost 1 to 3, which is fine, but I lost it here. So this area I try as much as possible to this corner. Now, what is the nature of things now? The nature of things presently is still bearish. We need to see a change in the bearish state, which is from probably a daily view. I'll probably love to see a daily view change of states from bearish to bullish. Then I will hop in and continue to buy. Remember, our overall view is bullish. So this is just this candle, which is as a result of the monthly candle. We are still in the third week of the month. We've not closed, so I want to see how this candle closes. If this candle closes full, then next candle will also start bearish before we can see a bullish. So, but if this candle can close bullish, probably come down a little, then push back and close with intent that buyers are pushing the market a little, then we can see the next month candle starting with a buy setup. But presently, this is a heavy bears market. You can see how big those candles are, how big they are. It signifies that there's a lot of sellers in this game. Don't go against them yet unless we start to see information that shows that on the daily that we've moved from selling and we are moving right away to buyers. All right, I think that's that for now on US30. I got it locked for you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.